Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today's episode is not about cooking, and I'm really sorry I couldn't make any vlog because of some health issues. Just to keep you updated, I want to tell you that we all were tested positive for COVID, and it's been 2 weeks now. My purpose of making this video is to just share my personal experiences, my opinion and symptoms, and these are all based on my personal journey throughout this COVID infection. So the first day what I experienced was some body ache, dizziness, heavy headedness, along with severe cramping pain in my calf muscles. And when I noticed my temperature, it was around 100.7, and throughout the episode it stayed between 99 to 100.78 ish. And this was and throughout the episode it stayed between 99 to 100.8 degrees. It was low grade fever, and parallelly I experienced some throat pain. Earlier I thought it might be because of my sensitive throat. To be on safer side, I consulted my sister, who is MD radiology, looking after these COVID patients in Mumbai, and she prescribed me few antibiotics and anti-allergic medicines along with Crocin SOS, and she told me to have plenty of water, protein-rich diet, along with some Zincovit multivitamins and vitamin C as well. And I followed her advice: stay hydrated by drinking warm water after every half an hour, and eating 3 to 4 boiled eggs every day. I didn't lose my taste and smell. It remained as such till 5th day, and the symptoms remained the same till 4th day. My throat pain got worse with lot of dryness in my throat and my nasal cavity, this area, and it was not easy to even breathe for me, and I used to get hurt whenever I used to inhale air, and for that purpose I took steam with ajwain, which helped me a lot. I massaged my throat with hot coconut oil. It was all dry, my lips, my nasal passage and throat, but still I felt some post-nasal, you can say, congestion behind my nose area and my throat. There was congestion and dry cough as well. So back on to 5th day, I suddenly lost smell and taste, and everything tasted like hot water. I tried to smell my favorite perfume, my lip balm, but I couldn't feel and smell them. And I tried, and then suddenly I got a bit relief of throat pain on the 5th day. It just vanished, and on 6th day my taste and smell started to revert back, but I started experiencing headache quite often, but no fever, no dry cough at all by the end of 6th day, I would say. With my oxygen level normal, everything was fine by 7th day. Even my BP was normal. I would suggest to keep monitoring your BP and oxygen levels throughout this infection. But weakness and headache is the major thing which I am experiencing till now, and it's been 2nd week of my symptoms. I did experience heaviness till now, and it's been 2nd week of my symptoms, and sometimes maybe because of anxiety and my tachycardia, I still feel some heaviness and breathlessness. So that was all about me and my family experience. We all had almost same symptoms, but My husband and son had mild diarrhea as well, along with fever. My daughter experienced the same symptoms that I felt, and I must say, don't panic and stay positive and keep yourself away from social media of if you are tested positive, as these things may aggravate mental pressure and may make you psychologically ill and depressed, resulting in adding more to your symptoms. So keep a positive attitude, drink chamomile tea, follow a doctor, and get yourself treated symptomatically, hoping lifestyle to get back to normal soon, and wish you all health and happiness. Thank you all, my friends, my family, and my well-wishers, especially my parents who are providing me food every day, my sister Saiba, and my friends for the endless support and wishes. This is the time we should help each other by staying connected by heart. Stay home and stay safe, and I wish health and happiness for you all. Thanks for watching, and yes, before you plan to go or get out of your home, think twice. If it's too urgent, then only then step out of your home and wear mask and carry a sanitizer along. And that's all about my journey. It varies from person to person. This was all my personal experience, and I wish health for everyone, and thanks for watching my video. I'll be soon back with some cooking vlogs. So until my next vlog, stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching my video. Take good care of yourself, and bye for now.